Hey superstar, welcome back. If you're my regular, returning supporter, a day one subscriber, thank you very much for joining. And if you're new here, hi, hello, welcome, and thank you very much for tuning in. Just be sure to click the subscribe button down below and be sure to click the bell notification so you get notified every time I do an upload. And if you're my regular supporter, go ahead and click the like button, like this video, and comment down below. Today I'm back with another cactus video. You already know what it is. Today we're going to use this cactus, aka tuna plant, for my Jamaicans friends. You feel me? This it's not the first time I'm doing this kind of video, but today I'm going to share with you two amazing ingredients. So superstar, we're going to use cactus and rice water. These two ingredients are game changer. They're going to put an end to a cry of breakage, dry hair, and hair that's stagnant. So if that's your concern, and if growing your hair healthier, thicker, and voluminous is your goal, then please stay to the very end, because I have disclaimer at the end, so be sure you stay to the end. Another point to take note before we start preparing these amazing ingredients: we have to be consistent. All this video that I share with you guys, pick one that works for you and create a routine that works best for you and your hair, so that you get to reap all the benefits of the videos that I share with you guys. If you're going to choose the cactus and rice water, and maybe you're going to make it twice a month or after every 4 weeks, then stick to that schedule. You understand? Without further saying, oh my god, I haven't been introduced. By the way, I'm Maryam Kapama, natural hair superstar. If you haven't liked this video, go ahead and like this video. Then we go on to make these amazing treatments. Without further talking, guys, let's go. Be sure to give this video thumbs up, guys. For the ingredients, you're going to use fresh cactus leaf. Cactus has many potential benefits for your hair due to its high nutrients content. These benefits include a lot of things, one of them being promoting soft hair, strong hair, healthy hair, and of course it's going to help your scalp, faster hair growth, and also less hair loss. It can reverse heat damage as well as protect your hair from the effects of the sun. Cactus is amazing, guys. Cactus is known as a tuna plant in Jamaica. Also, it can be found in grocery stores, aka Walmart, or any Mexican stores for my US subscribers, as well as you can find it in your local farms if you're in Africa. So we'll be using these 3 pieces. Cactus is amazing. It's packed of nutrients. Cactus is a great source of vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin A. They also contain iron, calcium, potassium, and omega-3, guys. Also, cactus is very high in fatty acids, which are really good at helping hair development. The vitamin E in the cactus works as a great antioxidant for the hair and also stimulates production of collagen, so you're going to experience more ingrowns because the scalp is going to be stimulated to produce more hair. So don't be surprised if your hair will be growing non-stop. Cactus is great for that. It's doing great for that. Also, it's going to promote soft hair because it's going to restore, but it's going to be restoring moisture to your hair. Hence, your hair will be hydrated and very soft. It's going to leave your hair very soft, guys. So here is everything chopped. Superstar, I'm adding these small chopped pieces of cactus into the blender for blending. As I was saying, cactus has high nutrient content that's going to prevent your hair from falling out. It's high in fatty acids. Fatty acids plus the omega-3 in there, they're going to prevent your hair from, it's going to prevent you from losing out hair. So here are all cactus in, and what you're going to add next in the mixture will be adding this rice water. We'll be blending using fermented rice water. So next I'll be adding this rice water. Rice water has amazing benefits, and if you're new to rice water, I'm going to leave a video where I can show you how to prepare rice water. This rice water was fermented for 3 days. So I fermented this, and today's day 3, and that's when I'm using it as a protein treatment for my hair. I'm going to use it as the liquid to blend this cactus. Cactus is usually very slippery, and the big reason cactus is good for your hair and it's going to prevent hair fall is due to fatty acids and omega-3 content in the cactus that are going to help moisturize your hair and scalp, and it's going to be sure to like the video, comment down below if you're getting values. video to the very end. I so much appreciate you. Please be sure to like this video, comment down below. I'll so much appreciate you. I'm going to stay with this heat cap for 30 minutes. That's very enough. And then I'm going to wash the treatment out, and I'm going to style my hair as desired. You can do the same. Just be sure to use this regimen at least twice a month. Your hair will thank you a lot. However, I'm not going to leave you alone. I'm going to leave you with the video right over here that I'm going to teach you how to add moisture to your hair. This is a protein treatment, but also you need a moisture treatment. On your screen is a video that I demonstrate everything about adding moisture to your hair. Be sure to click the video on the screen, and I'll see you guys in that video. Be sure to follow me on all my social media accounts. They're all in the description box. See you guys in the next video on the screen. It's another powerful and only one ingredient, that's all. So be sure to click it, and don't forget to leave thumbs up for your girl. And if you haven't subscribed until now, go ahead and click the subscribe button, comment down below, and I'll so much appreciate you. I'll see you guys in the other video. Until next time, bye bye.